left me all up in your love.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. We are still going. We are going to do 25 days of Vlogmas all December. We got this. So right now I am installing this wig I got from Amazon. The brand is called TBBPMM. I'm gonna put it on the screen because that was a lot. It's a 13x4 straight lace front wig. It is a 20-inch human hair wig. It comes with a wig cap, and I don't know, I think when companies send out wig caps, I'm appreciative that they do, but I think it's just sent like for all skin colors. Everybody's scalp ain't this color, but that was nice. They sent a thank you card saying thank you for ordering. They sent some combs, and they also sent an elastic band, which I will be using because I do not like gluing my wigs down. This bag's 20-inch. This is the lace. These are how the knots look. Get a closer look. How long it is. I see some layers. Okay, let me push my hair back. So I'm going to push it back with this Shiner Jam. Oop. There's a lot of lace. Pouring it. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay, it's pre-plucked. Pre-plucked. Ooh, it's looking cute already. Pre-plucked. Turn around. So it goes about here. This is cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bleach the knots. I'm going to take some Got2b spray and spray the roots so the bleach doesn't really touch the roots. Got2b. So you see it's all shiny. So I'm gonna let that dry. So I'm going to use the BW2 powder. This one is by Claro Professionals. And this Superstar Generic 40 volume developer. It's a generic brand I got from the beauty supply store. And I have my mixing brush. So I'm gonna pour the BW2 powder in. Just eyeballing it. So I put this much in. Might have to put more. Take the 40 volume. You want it to be a cake-like batter. So you're gonna mix. And when you're doing this, you might want to open up a window or put a fan on because this is strong. So you just want to pick it up with your brush and see. It's not too leaky. So it is fine. Take the hair. Usually you should be using gloves with this, but I don't have gloves at the moment. So what we're going to do, take the brush, and just start
painting it on. You want to get the bleach past the hairline so that can be bleached as well.
And this time I'm going to put a aluminum foil to help it bleach faster. So I just washed it out. I left this one on this time for about 25 minutes and a little bit better. We're going to take this Shimmer Lights Blonde Silver shampoo to get some of the brassiness out. Ooh. Oh, it got in the sink. Now y'all see this is very messy. Now I'm going to wash this out and wash the hair with this Daily Clarifying Cleansing Shampoo, and then we're going to dry it. So this is how the wig came out. Oh, let me show you, these are the knots. I didn't show you guys the inside, I'm sorry. It has 3 combs like a standard wig, comb at the back, and the wig for the elastic band, if you can see that. Here, oops, hook this onto here, and then you hook that, and then you hook this. Okay, I need to comb the hair back. The hair is still a little tiny bit damp, so I'm just gonna take my blow dryer. That's what it's looking like after bleaching. I'm going to put some powder. This Maybelline Fit Me in 235. I'm gonna put some on the lace and come back. So my nail just broke. I took all the clips that were inside of the wig cap out except for the back, and my nail broke. So that's not fun, but I'm going to use my hot comb and comb all the hair to the back. Oh, I don't feel like doing the ball cap method, so I just folded the wig cap under. So I'm going to do one side at a time. I'm going to use the Even Wonder Lace Bond adhesive, the one in the red. So I did out two layers on this side, 3 layers on this side. So
Party on bed rest. Late nights, take her ass to my strokes. She can get the lobster for the backstroke. You know I love it when the air show. Nigga feel good that this is last show, last show, last show. Oh my.
So I cut the lace off, and I'm going to use now is this Keratin Smooth Shine Serum by Tresemme. It's a nozzle. I'm going to use the Babyliss Pro Flat Iron.
I'm so gone off your love, I'm so gone. I'm so gone, so gone, I'm so gone. I'm so gone off your love, and you know. I'm so gone, I'm so gone, I'm so gone. I got drunk off your love and throwed up. Pour my heart inside your double cup. At the park when the first batter up. I got calls from her nails when we. Hey, I wanna see you move her, you some Jerry's. Black diamonds in your chain, you're American. Chrome heart to the lens when you lurking. $80,000 birthday boy. Keep that to yourself, don't want no one else. Oh yeah. We're now rocking with J.I. Hell yeah, body talking to a nigga, say less. You know, leave me a head net. I'ma put your body on bed rest. Late nights, took her ass in my straws. She can get the lobster for the backstroke. You know I love it when the air show. Nigga feel good that this is last show, last show, let's go. Oh, keep that to you.
Edge tamer. Put it here.
I got drunk off your love and load up. Pull my.
So I just wanted to basically use the even glue to cut the lace. I didn't necessarily want to lay it down. Before I fully flatten that, let me take my liquid mousse spritz to work. All I gotta do is the ghetto way and open up the. This is ghetto. This is ghetto. See the lace disappearing. Shake off the excess.
I wanna see you move her, you some Jerry's. Black diamonds in your chain, you're American. Chrome heart to the lens when you lurking. $80,000 birthday boy.
This is how it came out. This is the next day. And let me take this off. So we gonna do some baby hairs, y'all.
Tell me, baby, will you slide with me? I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just for me. Yeah. Ain't no really low, but you still good bar for me. Your best would make me feel lovely. I don't go where you still think of me. I need to know.
Now, I prefer them to be asymmetrical. Well, not asymmetrical. I prefer them to be symmetrical. So I'm gonna take my flat iron and so I'm gonna take my razor and go so I can see how it's looking like, and then I can always cut it more. But once you cut off too much, can't cut off no more. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. It's hot, never mind. I curled it under. Cut this as well. So I always keep this a little long, so I could do like a little curl.
Talking that shit, so intriguing.
I'm gonna take my Edge Fixer by Kiss Sweet Peach. I'm gonna cut up to my eyebrows. I'm gonna cut diagonally. Oh yeah, the glue sticking to me. I've had too much edge control over here. The hair is sticking because I got so much glue on my hands. Now I got edge control on my hands. Let me curl this. So, thank you for watching. More Vlogmas coming soon. Thank you, lovelies.
Wrap me up, wrap me up.